Welcome to Homework Lib.
The median home value in West Virginia and Tennessee adjusted for inflation are shown below. This was in the year 1950 and 2000. If we assume that the house values are changing linearly, then in which state have home values increased at a higher rate? Well, what we'd want to do is find the slope, the rate of change for each state. So for West Virginia, their slope would be y2 minus y1. Well, that would actually be over x2 minus x1. So that would be 72,800 minus 33,200, their change, compared to 2,000 minus 1950 over those 50 years. So 72,800 minus 33,200 over 2,000 minus 1950, and we get 792. For Tennessee, that would go 93,000 minus 31,900 over 2,000 minus 1950. Well, 93,000 minus 31,900 over 2,000 minus 1950 is 1,222. So Tennessee is changing at a faster rate. That is correct. If these trends were to continue, what would be the median home value in West Virginia in 2010? Well, if we come up with a formula, a linear model, where we're using the slope of West Virginia 792, and let's use the first ordered pair. X is 1950 when Y is 33,200. So multiply 792 by 1950, and then we're going to subtract that from 33,200. And we get negative 1,511,200. Now we use that formula, 792x minus 1,511,200, and we're going to substitute 2010 in for x. So 792 times 2010 minus 1,511,200. That's 80,720. If we assume the linear trend existed before 1950 and continued after 2000, when will the median values be, or when were they equal? Well, we need to find Tennessee's formula now. And so that would be a slope of 1222. And we'll use their first coordinates, 231,900 for x. I'm sorry, 1950 for x. And we get 31,900 for y. We need to find what b value this happens for. So it'd be 31,900, and we'll subtract 1222 times 1950. And we get negative 2,351,000. And so the formula is y equals 1222x minus 2,351,000. And we want to set that equal to the formula for West Virginia, which was 792x minus 1,511,200. Okay, so subtract 792x to both sides, and we get 430. So 430x. Now we'll add 2,351,000 to the negative 1,511,200. And we get 839,800. We'll divide that by 430. And we get 1953.